Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to buy USD by Binance full guide. Open Binance, complete verification, add a payment method, and use Buy Crypto to select USD and your currency. Enter the amount, check fees and price, choose a payment option, and confirm the purchase. After buying, move USD to your spot wallet or external wallet for safety, and follow simple tips to avoid common mistakes. Bank transfer, card, and peer-to-peer each have trade-offs, and I'll walk you through choosing the right one for your needs. Consider speed, fees, and convenience when picking a payment method on Binance. I'll explain how to compare offers, set limits, and spot trusted payment partners. With a clear process, you'll make smarter decisions and avoid surprises during checkout. Protecting your funds matters, so enable 2FA, use a unique password, and confirm any withdrawal addresses carefully. Check trading and network fees before you buy USD to avoid unexpected costs. For larger amounts, transfer to a private wallet where you control the keys. These simple habits reduce risk and keep your crypto secure while you learn the basics of buying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.